Goodbye, Iceland. Bonjour à Paris. So here we are in our Airbnb. Very spacious.
Did you do
video
any
I
of that?
started something. Not the driving. Oh my god. I didn't know. Well, he was illegal. Okay. Oh, that's a slow transition. Okay, allow me to explain. So when we got to Paris, we were looking for a taxi. We were in the arrivals hall, and we were all. I was saying the word taxi, and because we were talking about it. And then this guy comes up to us like, "Taxi? You want a taxi?" He didn't speak a whole lot of English. We spoke enough. So we're like, yeah, sure. Maybe this guy's a taxi driver. We'll take him down. When we went to go leave the airport, it became pretty clear he wasn't an authorized taxi driver, but he offered to drive us at a low price. There was 4 of us, there was 1 of him, so it kind of worked. So that's what I mean by illegal. It's not really illegal. It's borderline. That's not borderline, because we didn't know. We were very ignorant. So that's what I mean by illegal activity. We had an uncertified man drive us to our Airbnb. We got there okay. Not for the lack of Paris traffic trying to kill us, but we got there okay. So that's what I mean by illegal. So nothing too crazy, okay? All right. Back to the vlog. It was an illegal taxi. I figured I whip out a video camera, he might get a little worked up. So.
Yeah, like if I wasn't with you guys, I wouldn't have gone with you.
Oh, 100%, yeah.
I was thinking like after we got in, because I was like, yeah, this guy's totally not a.
Oh, 100% illegal, yeah.
And then after we got in, I was like, you know what? If you like ever tried anything,
there's
like,
4 of us. Exactly.
There's 1 of him.
I'm in the front.
Yeah,
Put the biggest person in the front. Time to go to the Eiffel Tower.
Here,
Off we go. What door is it? This thingy. There we go. There she blows. Wow, what a sight. Dang it. Now we're off to find the ticket area so we can try and journey up this magnificent monster to our deaths. Ah, wow. There's very little of me that wants to go all the way up there. Very, very little of me. So we made it in. Now if we're trying to figure out how we're gonna get up there. Most of me wishes we won't figure it out. Our second deck wouldn't be awful. Are we going all the way to the top? I hope not.
Did you get that on?
No, I did not get that. So right now it's thundering. Skies are a little bit foggy-woggy over there. It is kind of muggy. I just thought it was Paris, but I guess it is kind of muggy. Yeah. So we're not sure what's going to happen. Ben, safety instructor Ben, thinks it's fine. I am still petrified. And up we go. Look at those peasants walking. Oh my god. It's very crowded in here. Hey, honey. Very crowded in these little quarters. Well, nice view though, but I'm gonna poop myself when I get to the top. So right now we're on the 2nd floor looking down on the metropolis of Paris. You can hear the thunder maybe in the background. It's raining quite considerably over there. Probably heading our way. We might have to go up to the top. I'm not sure, but it's quite the view from here. I don't like any of this. It's getting a little windier. We're now gonna go check out the other side. It's absolutely pouring over there. As you can probably hear, it's super windy. It's all headed this way. It looks like a nuclear winter cloud, so that's a good sign. I have made the executive decision not to go to the top because I am super afraid. Plus, I don't like the wind, so yeah. Just waiting in line for the thing up to the top. It's still running, even in the rain and the lightning. What a view though. There's an absolutely beautiful view back there. Almost there. The weather's getting a little bit worse. I'm not sure what the visibility is going to be. I don't think it's going to be great. But I think the theme of today is facing your fears. Thunder, lightning, and a little bit of heights. So hopefully I make it through it, you know? That's what life's about, facing your fears. You might be able to hear that thunder still rumbling in the background. And here we are. There's still one more level we can get to at the top. Oh. And that that's where we're going. And here we are outside. It's a little wet. Not a lot of people up here, but there is a bunch of beautiful views. Still raining. Well, I paid the money. I made a big fuss. I may as well come up. So here we go. Wow. It's stupid, but makes sense that the top is less scary than the lower floors. So, well, I don't know. It's higher up. There's more danger, you know?
Less scary?
It's less scary. Way less scary. I can't fall off up there. It's enclosed. Look, it's enclosed.
It's pretty much enclosed
Safety.
down there.
No, it was sketchier down there.
It's a good thing you came up, eh?
I guess. Supper time.
I think it is.
Yay. Gone. Back on the street. Back to the Airbnb. Still a deliciously wet day. I don't mind it. It's warm outside though. Like this is a warm temperature if you ask me. We're gonna go find a bakery so I can get some dessert. We're gonna get Merci.
Hi.
Yeah, I left at the bus.
I had to leave my cheesecake at home. We're gonna go explore Paris at midnight. I heard they have a really nice mugging district downtown. We're gonna go check that out. And then I'll come home to my cheesecake. So please enjoy this Paris at night video tribute to Ben. So here we are at the Luxembourg Gardens apparently. No footy allowed, that's rude. What is that? What is that? Oh, fire truck makes weird noises. So we're entering the gardens now. At the end there's a palace. Ben just photobombed Ashley. Everything is going to plan. Wow, that water looks very green. You can't even tell which one's the grass and which one's the water. And here we have a better shot of the Palace of Luxembourg. Now, on to Notre Dame. And here we maybe have behind us the Church de Notre Dame. Well, I'm not sure how well in frame it is. But it's right behind me. How about I just make sure? It's a little bit big. It's a beautiful 21st century architecture. That's probably live, like 16th century. We might come back to them tomorrow and see that. Would that be nice? You want to get a selfie, honey? Yes. Yes, you do. We better get one quick. We're now going to go see if we can find a Gothic church. This is the throwbacks to Ben's earlier years as a moody 16-year-old. He's very excited. And here we have an important building and the Gothic church. Ding, 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 ding. Where are we going now, tour guide?
We're going this way.
We're going that way. So walking this way has led us to nighttime in downtown. We're gonna go see the Eiffel Tower at night. Maybe, I guess.
Yeah.
No McDonald's on the way, but that's okay. So just how many more kilometers, tour guide?
I don't know.
I can't even see your face.
I could check.
You could check. I'm gonna say 1.3 more kilometers, and it's right over there-ish. See you there. There's so many people trying to sell us roses. Right there, he's right there. He really needs to stop trying to give people those. Wow, amazing. There's around 10 more minutes until the light show. It's supposed to be quite the spectacle. So we're gonna stick around and we're gonna walk it. Yeah, shh. Try and enjoy the tower. And we're live for the light show. Wow! I'm just gonna let this run, you know? What? Is that it? Wow. Wow. Can I get a reaction?
That was really fast. Disappointing. GoPro, did you?
Yes, I did capture all that amazing footage from our tour on GoPro. This video is brought to you by GoPro. GoPro! So that was it from the light show. We're now going to try and find our way back in the dark. So if you see a video of me eating cheesecake, we've made it home safe. I really want that cheesecake.
You're not gonna vlog with the subway?
No, I don't want to vlog. That's going to be terrible. Alright, so we made it back alive. I have my cheesecake, about to sample my first bite. How do you say bon appetit in Spanish?
What?
Mucho mangea.
That's definitely not.
Ah. Well deserved. I walked 28 kilometers today. I deserve this piece of cheesecake. So we're now going to reveal our new project. Hope you guys like it. Shaw, dude. Shaw.
Okay, push over, man.
95% of the water is under cooling gas. Didn't see where they got the stats from. Thanks,
Yeah.
Rob Burgundy. Shout out to Rob Burgundy. You're a real OG.
Okay, we gotta do this.
Hey friends, how you doing? Welcome back. So this is the start of our brand new project.
The France
project. And we're gonna call it Shaw.
You said it right.
Let's get right. Let's break down Shaw right away. So the first thing, the C, it's gonna stand for comfort.
The H is for hospitality.
Next up in the word, we have the letter A, and that's gonna stand for appearance.
And finally, T stands for trade-off, which is kind of like the V from lava.
Yeah, we couldn't
You
figure
might
out.
remember.
Couldn't figure out how to say anything else. So like trade-off sounds like rain. So, all right, let's get right into it for our petite Airbnb. So comfort. It's a tricky one. I mean, it's a very small space, but like I didn't feel uncomfortable.
The bed, the pillow couch was not very comfortable.
Oh, our bunk bed was pretty comfy.
Yeah.
For my comfort score, based on my bed experience, I'm gonna give it a 3.75 out of 5 possible Shaw.
Okay, for me, I'm gonna give it 2.5. I think 2.5 out of 5 Shaw.
Didn't like that bed, eh?
No, it really killed it for me.
Okay.
Also, the shower, it was hard to get in and out.
Next up, we have hospitality. So that's kind of our amenities from our last lava, and just kind of general vibe or essence that the place really gives us. So for hospitality, for me, we have a microwave, a toaster, a kettle, a stove we didn't use, a fridge, a sink.
There's a TV too, right there. Right? That's an espresso.
Espresso maker.
You didn't use that?
I didn't use that. Looks very complicated.
There's only like 2 buttons.
Big cup or small cup? Maybe I'll fire one up before we leave. Hospitality for me, you know what? It's gonna be a 4. I don't have any problems.
I think, yeah, I agree. You said 4, right?
Yes.
I agree with 4 Shaw. 4 Shaw out of 5.
Yeah. Alright.
5 total Shaw.
Next up we have appearance. So it's just the general look of the place, just like the last series we did. I mean,
It
looks fine. Yeah, you can tell it's 1980s and it hasn't really been updated.
Those lights, those are awesome.
Let's give it a 9.5. I'm gonna rate appearance at 3.5 out of 5 Shaw. Seems appropriate for this situation. So.
I'm just gonna give it 3. I think I don't
Oh.
love it.
Okay, that's fine. All right. Next up is trade-off. So we paid 170 Canadian dollars for this place for
That's not bad.
1 night.
That's true.
It's
Well, I
very
mean-
tiny. But we do have all the amenities pretty close to everything. Like if in terms of the things we're doing, it's pretty central. There's a metro station right nearby.
It's not bad.
It's
I
not
wouldn't
bad.
say it's central. It's
in the middle of things. Value for me is gonna be 3.75. It's not awful. It's not great.
yeah. I just think 3.
Wow.
170
Thank you
for 1
today.
night.
Critical today.
3 Shaw.
3 Shaw, and
3
a possible
Shaw.
5 Shaw. So that's it. That's our premiere episode of Shaw.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.
Hope it was.
Leave us some comments. We won't read them, but leave them for us. Love to hear from our viewers.
If we ever have a comment, we're definitely gonna read it. What do you mean?
Probably forget that we
Are you gonna
posted the video.
ignore our 1 comment?
Probably. Depends what the comment is. See you guys tomorrow.
Bye bye.